Hello guys! Today we are taking a look at a really useful tool for RC car setups. This is the SkyRC Digital Ride Height Gauge, model number SK500049. And I have to say, if your eyes are not getting any younger, this might be very interesting for you. Let's start with the unboxing. The tool comes in a compact plastic box, about 15 by 6 by 5 centimeters, nice and solid, easy to carry in your toolbox. Inside the box we first find the manual and then the digital gauge itself, safely packed in foam. Honestly, it is packed so well, I think it could survive a fall from 10 meters. Also included is a calibration tool. We will need that later. And a nice bonus, a 1.5 volt AAA battery is already included, so you can start right away. Let me show it to the camera. It feels very solid, compact design, and the display is easy to read. Comparison with measuring wedge. Now let's test it. Here I have my Schumacher Vibe touring car, and for comparison, a classic measuring wedge from MR33. And to be fair, with the wedge it is fast. Just slide it under, read it, done. But if you are over 40, reading those tiny numbers can be a challenge. And this is where the digital gauge becomes really nice. Just slide, no guessing anymore. Let me quickly explain how it works. The measuring arm in the front is spring-loaded. When you slide the tool under the car, the arm moves upward. As soon as it touches the chassis, the height is locked. And from that, the device calculates the ride height and shows it on the display. Very simple, but very effective. Another nice feature is the rotating display. With one button, you can flip the screen. So you don't need to twist your head or turn yourself upside down. If the tool ever gets out of calibration, you can easily reset it. Here is how it works. Step 1. You need a flat surface, for example your setup board or a glass plate. Step 2. Press and hold the calibration button for about 3 seconds. The display will change and guide you through the process. Step 3. Push the measuring arm all the way down. Then press the same button again. Step 4. Take the calibration tool and set the arm to the 10 mm height. Apply a bit of pressure to keep it in place. Then press the button again. Step 5. Now set the arm to 20 mm and press the button one more time. And that's it, calibration done. Now let's try it on a smaller car. Here is a Schumacher 112 Pancar, and you can see it works perfectly here as well. So this tool covers a wide range, from 1/12 scale up to 1/8 scale. And it can measure from 2 mm up to 45 mm. So, final thoughts. If you want something fast and your eyes are still good, a classic measuring wedge is totally fine. But if you want more comfort, better readability, and more precise results, this digital gauge is a great upgrade. The display, the easy handling, and the calibration feature make it very practical for everyday use. For me, this is definitely a tool that stays in my toolbox. If you liked the video, leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more RC content. See you next time.